All right, what's up, traders? I wanted to bring you something a little different. I wanted to start with smart money and looking forward to the future in your trades. A good entry point, PSV. PSV is the stock we're talking about. I'm going to get back to this SEC filing, but here's the chart. This was pretty simple. I was scanning stocks to invest in, and I looked at some stocks that were up a little bit on the day. I believe it was Thursday. One thing we talk about is following smart money and buying on support. As you see, this stock, you look at these levels and these trend lines, and we're guaranteed almost. There's no guarantees, but we're almost guaranteed for this stock to go to $100.50. Okay, every 2 or 3 months at least. All right, so you see a pop right here, $1.50. It pulls back. This was in November. Goes all the way to March, and you see another pop, $1.11. Still not bad from 30 cents, which means you're quadrupling your investment. Okay, so then a few more months, June, you see another pop, 140. So then we come to July, and you see another pop to 305. Now think about getting in here, with $1,000, at 50 cents, and what's that? 6 times? You use 6 times of your money, you're turning $1,000 to $6,000. That's why we're here. And if you notice, these pops are getting more frequent. It took 3 months, then it takes a little bit less than 3 months, and then it takes about a month and a half, and then it takes about another month and a half. So right now, I notice this stock is coming back to these levels. Pay attention to levels and frequency of runs. Okay. Now, what's the news on this stock? Basically, from our research, we found out that they may be doing some Chapter 11 bankruptcies, but in this stock market, if you look at Hertz, if you look at all of these companies that have been bankrupt Tuesday morning, they still have massive runs. JCPenney, they still have massive runs before they actually restructure their debt and finance the debt and everything else they have to go through to get back in good standings. So I'm looking at this stock as a huge value stock. So right now, again, I'm looking at these levels. What are the levels where this thing makes huge moves at? Below 30 cents, 35 cents and below. Okay, so you got 29 cents, and it triples. It goes from 30 cents to $1. It raised the floor a little bit to 40 cents. It goes to $1.40. 50 cents, it goes to $3. 30 cents, it goes to $1.50. So, of course, when it pulls back to 28 cents into the 30-cent range, do we want to enter, or do we want to let this opportunity pass us by? We want to enter. So I'm just giving you an example of a stock that we invested in before it runs, so that you can see the process, and we're not just telling you, hey, this stock ran 100%, and giving you, because hindsight's 2020. I got in this thing heavy. I'm in heavy at 32 cents because why? Number one, we're following smart money. These people, who is, let me find the group. There's an investment company that has bought that has bought shares of this company. Okay, so where are they buying at? So they form a 13G is when a company buys a significant percentage of stock. Normally it's around 5%. Okay, so let's see. On September 8th, somebody bought 4 million shares at 41 cents. September 9th, somebody bought 1.6 million shares at 39 cents. September 9th, again, somebody bought 1.6 million shares at 38 cents. On September 10th, Someone else buys 1 million shares, 1,094,000 shares at 33 cents. Okay? This is smart money. These people have millions of dollars to research companies. Okay? September 9, 2 million shares at 32 cents, at 38 cents. September 10th, 1.4 million shares. So if they're buying at 40 cents, if they're buying at an average, let's just say at 36 cents, don't you think that the stock should run up well past that? And these are long-term investors. These are not investors that are going to be in and out selling shares once the market pops. Once the stock runs up 100%, they're going to stay long. So hopefully that we'll even build some more floors when this stock pops. Honestly, we're going to take profits when this stock does pop. And just wanted to let you know how we are identifying stocks. I always use my scanner. If you want a scanner, I can send you one for free. All you have to do is email me any questions, any comments. I can let you know. So I put the parameters 25% change. Sometimes I change this up and down. But like I said, right now we are heavy in PSV. And obviously I'll be making a video once we have a successful trade. I appreciate it. Please like, please subscribe, comment. Again, God bless and have a great weekend.